Good morning, students. Welcome to Royal Palace College competitive online classes. In the last session, I was discussing about the synopsis, the different formulas of the solutions chapter. Now let's get on into the numerical part, that is a problematic session. First question in this is, what weight of NaOH should be dissolved to prepare 250 ml of 0.2 molar solution? They want weight of the NaOH, to prepare 250 ml of 0.2 molar solution. Okay, so weight they want of NaOH to prepare 0.2 molar solution of 250 ml volume. Now you know molarity formula is equal to weight by molecular weight into 1000 by volume of solution in ml. We want weight. So if I want weight, then weight of NaOH must be equal to molarity of solution into molecular weight of the compound solute into volume in ml divided by 1000. Now what is a molecular weight of NaOH? What is molecular weight of NaOH? NaOH molecular weight is sodium 23, oxygen is 16. Okay, this is 1. So it will be 40. M is molarity 0.2. What is molecular weight? 40. What is the volume? 250 divided by 1000. Okay. Now this 0 and this 0 you can cancel. Okay. And this cancelled. So this is 25 into 4. Okay. 25 into 4 is 100. Now that is weight is equal to 0.2 into 457 divided by 10. Okay. This 0 cancel. So what is the weight of NaOH required? It is 2 grams. So weight of the NaOH required is 2 grams. So the option we have is A. The option is A. 2 grams of NaOH is required for this 250 ml solution preparation of 0.2 molarity. Next question is 100 ml of 0.1 molar solution of A mixed with 20 ml of 0.2 molar solution of B, then the final molarity is. So it is like mixing of solutions. Let us take B1 is 100 ml M1 is 0.1 molarity and V2 is 20 ml and M2 is 0.2 molarity. 0.2 molarity. Then what is the final molarity? Okay, the final molarity, mixing of solutions, you can use that MV is equal to M1V1 plus M2V2, where M is final molarity of mixing. So M mix is equal to M1V1 plus M2V2 divided by V mix, V final. Okay, V final or V mix, volume of mixture. So molarity of mixture is equal to, final molarity is equal to, what is M1? 0.1. What is V1? 100 ml plus what is M2? 0.2 into what is V2? 20 divided by what is the final volume? 100 plus 20 means 120. Final volume is 120. Okay. Now that means molarity is equal to, here this is a 10 plus 0.2 into 20 if you do. Okay. So we can take this one 0.2 into 20, or else let me cancel like this. This is 10 10 2 ones 2 6. So this is 10.2 divided by 6 seconds. Means this can be 10.2 divided by 6. 10.2 divided by 6. Okay. So 10.2 divided by 6, you can write like this. It is, let me take it, this is 102. We'll take point afterwards. 102 into 10 power minus 1 you can do. Or 102 by 60 you can do. So this is like one time. So it is 6, 4 and 2. Okay. So it is 0, it is 17 you got it. Okay, I am writing this one as 102 into 10 raised to minus 1 by 6. So that means it is, you got it as 17, that means it is approximately you can take 0.18. 0.18. Okay, so the option is C, 0.18. Okay, now next one, the milli equivalents in 60 ml of 4 molar H2SO4 is. Now we have got 4 molar H2SO4. They are asking how many milli equivalents of H2SO4 is there in this. First of all, to know the equivalents, okay, we should know first normality. Okay, First, to know the gram equivalents, you should know normality. Here, for molarity, to convert into normality, basically normality is equal to formula molarity into, for acid it is basicity. For acid it is basicity. Okay. So that means now normality of the solution will be 4 into 2, that is 8. Now this is 8 normal solution. 8 normal solution means here, it is 60 ml lesson. So first let us calculate 60 ml. They are giving it is 60 ml of 4 molar solution. So 60 ml means here, volume is given 60 ml. First let me take moles only then. Number of moles is equal to, number of moles of H2SO4 is equal to, or molarity formula, let molarity is equal to number of moles into 1000 by volume in ml. First let us take this calculation because it is given 60 ml. Okay, so number of moles is equal to molarity into volume by 1000 we have to do. First let us calculate moles. Then n is equal to 4 into 60 divided by 1000. 4 into 60 divided by 1000. Now that means 4 into 60 divided by 1000 is, this is 240 divided by 1000. Okay, 240 divided by 1000 means divided by 1000 means here this will get cancelled. So number of moles is 0.24 moles. Number of moles is 0.24. Now what they are asking is gram equivalents. Now you know that equivalent weight is equal to, equivalent weights, gram equivalents is equal to, gram equivalent weight is equal to, or equivalent weight is equal to molecular weight by valency or basicity. Okay. So this is number of moles equal to 0.24 moles. So number of equivalents will be into basicity. So number of equivalents will be into basicity means number of moles or number of gram equivalents. I will say number of gram equivalents. Number of gram equivalents is equal to number of moles into basicity. Basicity. So number of moles is you are getting 0.24. Basicity is 2 for H2SO4. That means it is 0.48 gram equivalents you got. Okay, gram equivalents 0.4. And the same thing if you want in milli equivalents, they ask milli equivalents. Milli equivalents means what I need to do is 0.48 into 10 power 3 we need to take. This is in milligrams. Milligram equivalents. Milligram equivalents. That means this will be 480. 480 milligram equivalents. So answer is 480 milligram equivalents. First we calculated moles here. Moles to convert to gram equivalents means number of gram equivalents is equal to number of moles into basicity, valency factor or basicity. That if you do, you are getting 0.48 gram equivalents. Gram equivalents must be converted to milligram equivalents means you should multiply factor 10 power 3. So that is answer is 480. 480. Next one. In a solution containing 1 mole of ethyl alcohol and 4 moles of water, mole fraction of water is. Solution is containing ethyl alcohol 1 mole and water is 4 moles. What is mole fraction of water? Now what is mole fraction of water? Generally mole fraction is number of moles of the component by total number of moles. Mole fraction of water is number of moles of water divided by number of moles of water plus number of moles of ethyl alcohol. Okay. Number of moles of water is 4. Number of moles of water plus ethyl alcohol is 5. Okay, so 4 plus 1, 5. 4 by 5 is the answer. 4 by 5 means it is okay. 5 and 4. You can get part. Means it is 0.8 is the answer. 0.8. Next question is, the amount of solute required to prepare 10 liters of decimolar solution. Ten liters of decimolar solution, and the amount of solute is given in moles. Now you know that molarity is equal to number of moles by volume in liter. Question is asking, volume is given 10 liters. Volume is given 10 liters. And they are saying it is a decimolar. Decimolar means molarity is how much? 10 power minus 1 means 0.1. 0.1. This is a decimolar. Decimolar. 10 power minus 1. So 0.1. Then what will be the number of moles? Number of moles will be equal to molarity into volume in liter. Molarity is 0.1. Volume in liter is 10 liters. 0.1 into 10 is option B, 1 mole of amount of solute is required to prepare 10 liter decimolar solution. Okay. Next question is, molarity of a solution containing 0.1 moles of substance in 100 grams of water. What is molarity formula? Molarity is equal to number of moles into 1000 by weight of solvent in grams. Weight of solvent in grams. Now it is given number of moles is 0.1 moles and weight of solvent is given, weight of water is given 100 grams. So in the question they have given 0.1 moles and water is 100 grams. Substitute them. Molarity is equal to number of moles is 0.1 into 1000 divided by 100. Divided by 100. This two zeros cancel. This is 10. This is 10 power minus 1. Means what is the answer? Answer is 1. Answer is 1. 0.1 into 10 is 1. So the option C, that is 1. Okay. Next question. Next question is, a solution contains 16 grams of methanol and 90 grams of water. The mole fraction of methanol in the solution is. They have given weight of methyl alcohol 16 grams and weight of water is 90 grams. Then mole fraction of methanol is what? So basically, mole fraction of methanol can be given by the formula number of moles of methanol by number of moles of methanol plus number of moles of water. Right? Now that means number of moles of methanol means weight by molecular weight of methanol. Weight is 16 grams. What is the molecular weight of methanol? 16 by molecular weight of methanol is 1 carbon 12 and 1 oxygen is 16. 12 plus 16 is 28. 28 plus 4 hydrogens, that is 28 plus 4 hydrogens is 32. 16 by 32. Number of moles of methanol is 16 by 32. Plus, what is number of moles of water, weight of water by its molecular weight. Weight of water is given 90 gram. That is 90 divided by what is molecular weight of water? 18. Oxygen is 16, 2 hydrogens, 17, 18. Okay, so 18. Now 16 by 32 is, this is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. It is also 1 by 2. So this is 0.5, this is also 0.5. And 18 and 90. 18 and 90 means so it is 1 by 5. This is it is 5. It is 5 times. Okay, 18. Now that means this is 0.5. This is 5.5. Okay, means 5 by 55. 5 by 55 means 5 by 55 means it will be point. If you take here, it will become 50. Okay, then okay, one more 0 I will take here, so it will be 0 and this goes almost like 9 times if I take, then okay, so approximately this value comes 0.09. Comes 0.09. Next question is, the normality of 10% weight by volume acetic acid is. 10% weight by volume of acetic acid they have given. Now what does this mean? 10 grams of acetic acid in 100 ml water. That is weight percent, weight by volume percent. And they want normality of that solution. So what is normality? Normality is equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1000 by volume in ml. What is weight of this 10? What is gram equivalent weight of acetic acid? Gram equivalent weight of acetic acid is, for acetic acid gram equivalent and gram molecular weight both are same because only one H plus ion, basicity 1. Okay, so 2 carbons is 24, 4 hydrogens are there, 2 oxygens means 32. So this is 60. That means 1 by 60 into 1000 divided by, what is the volume? 100 ml. Okay, 100 ml. So these two zeros, and it is 1010. So what will be there? 10 by 60 is the molarity. Sorry, 10 by 6 is the molarity. 10 by 6 means 10 by 6 means what will be that? 1 time, okay, and this is going to be 4. We need to take point. This is 4, okay. So 6 sevens or 6 you can take. It is 36. Again 4. Again 0. So approximately 6.666 or 1.666 and so on. So it will be like 1.7 is the answer. 1.7 normality is the answer for this question. Okay. So in the next class we will continue with the remaining problems. Thank you for now.